Hello, this is Ben Ames from DC Velocity. Our whole team is here in Atlanta this week for MODEX 2026. And this afternoon, we're here in the Conductix-Wampfler booth. Here is our guide to talk us through what we're going to see is Panos Gimbrudis. Thank you for having us.
Very good pronunciation. Thank you.
So, Panos, can you tell us a little bit about Conductix-Wampfler just to kick it off and what your role is in the industry?
Sure. So Conductix manufactures systems that move data and power through customers' facilities. So we are, per se, maybe the thing that moves the power and moves the data through the customer's facilities. So that's what we do. Yep.
Conductix conductor, the
Yes,
power.
Exactly.
And then, so maybe a little bit more specifically, this week here at MODEX, what is it that you're showing people who might step into the booth?
Sure. And this is actually our latest iteration of our data communication, which is power or data over power with NxBB. And today we're looking at an actual system that we have, and it's using a lot of the Conductix products. So here you would have the conductor bar, and in the vehicles you will have the modems, and then at the end you will have the termination ends, and below we'll have the PLC communications. So what we're trying to demonstrate here is if you're using a shuttle format, this is exactly what that's for, and you're communicating through the conductor rail. So that's what we're using it for today. Yep.
And you said NxBB. Is that the name of the product that we're looking at here?
Yep, that is correct. So it's called NxBB, and like I said, it utilizes the conductor bar or whatever power distribution that you're using in your facility to transmit data. So, and it's very transparent. So it's using whatever signal the customer is putting, and it's going right through to the conductor bar into the vehicles. It's very simple.
And so the vehicles that we're looking at, they've got some buttons and bells and whistles, but it's really just a demo, and it could work. What are the sort of platforms that you might see it on in the real world?
Yep. So actually, these are showcasing a couple different things. So we do have a PLC below that's running, and we do have a positioning tape and a sensor actually that's picking that up. And we also are delivering another thing, which is video. So it does have live video going through these channels to demonstrate that that's how it's communicating through the modems. So the difference is that it's a hardwire solution, and it's using existing conductors that the customer already has. So there's no extra products that they have to install, like Wi-Fi or optical perhaps. So this is simplifying that solution, and being like in a place like here where you have a lot of Wi-Fi interference, maybe that's the same scenario if you're in a very congested environment with racks. Shuttles have a hard time communicating with Wi-Fi there. So this is exactly what this application does. It solves communication issues that come from Wi-Fi and disruption. So this is a hardwire solution. It's like putting an Ethernet cable from end to end using existing infrastructure.
Makes a lot of sense. Yeah, powerful stuff. Well, thank you so much for the explanation. That's great. And so can you just let us know as we end up here, if folks are at the show at MODEX, how can they find you to learn more and check out the little yellow shuttles, and or else online?
Yep, and you can come, we're in Hall B, and you can come check us out, and you can also go to conductix.us, and we'll be there.
Excellent. Great. Thank you so much for the time. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
This has been Ben Ames with DC Velocity here at MODEX 2026.